guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Disney Colourpop Cosmetics Villians collection look. I'm going to be using the Misunderstood palette and also the Maleficent collection that I got from Colourpop, and we're gonna show you how to get this look. I did take the lipstick off. You will see why at the end. So this is just my natural lip color. We just went with that for the intro because it just was a hot mess towards the end as far as lip colors go. But if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Also, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go into is this Tragic shade right here. I'm just gonna coat my entire lid with this and put it right in that crease. This is a perfect transition shade color. It's just exactly what you need. And then I am going to take the shade Underworld, which is kind of this deeper color. You have to be really careful with this palette because they are mainly shimmers and they are very, very soft shimmers. And I think we're gonna try and go for like a gold smoky eye with this palette. I'm trying to think of things that will pair well. I wanted to do kind of something that would match this lipstick. It's a very berry shade lipstick. So I thought if I went with a neutral eye, it would match a lot better than going with something a little bit more exotic. But I would love to do another look with this palette using the greens that are in here, just because there's some really fun shades. And I think a green smoky eye look would be really cool with this palette. I'm gonna take that same brush and go into this Devious shade. We'll see if we can kind of darken it up just a little bit more on that outer V. And this is just a very smooth chocolate matte shade. Then I'm gonna take the shade 101, which is a matte black, and I am going to be ever so gentle and put that in the outer V just to make it a little bit darker. I'm gonna kind of stamp it to get that first initial product onto the lid, and then we'll blend out. And that's kind of a key that I do. I'll put a little bit of color, I'll blend on one eye, and then I'll go back to the other and kind of go back and forth. And I feel like that really distributes the product a lot easier than focusing on one eye at a time. And now for the star of the show, we're gonna go into the shade Pain and Panic right here, which is kind of like this, I don't want to say it's straight gold, there's almost like there's a little bit of some kind of reddish reflect in there. It's a beautiful shade. It's almost like a copper reflect actually. Absolutely gorgeous though. I'm just gonna plant that right on the center of the lid. And then I'm gonna take the shade Mongrels and mix it with a little bit of No Spots and put that right on the brow bone just to kind of tie everybody together. Blow off as much excess glitter as I can here. And then I'm gonna take the shade Flotsam, put that in my inner corner here. I think I would really recommend with this palette that you use a glitter glue, just because I am seeing a lot of fallout with this kind of golden shade, if you will. I'm going to go back in now with the shade Devious. Again, I am just gonna go right back in that crease. Really gonna try and make this more brown, kind of that deeper terracotta shade, so it kind of matches that goldish red reflect that's in there. So I just saw the trailer for Maleficent 2. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty darn stoked for that one. That looks so good. But I love Angelina Jolie as Maleficent. I think they couldn't have picked a better person for that role. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish off the eyes with some mascara and some eyeliner. Once again, this is just the Maybelline eyeliner that I have been obsessed with recently. I'm just gonna put that down in the waterline. And then I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lashes with the Superhero mascara by It Cosmetics. I feel like you could also do lashes with this look and it would be really, really pretty. We all know I'm just not a lash girl, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Mistress of All Evil Super Shock highlighter. I almost said eyeshadow. That's not true. It's very creamy. So if you're gonna use this, I would use it with my finger more so than any other brush, just because I feel like you're gonna get the most dramatic effect that way. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but you definitely wanna use a brush that is tailored to cream products as opposed to powder products, because that will lay a lot better and you'll see it a lot more if you do that. All right, here we go, guys. This is the Maleficent color. I'm really scared. I knew this was gonna be a very berry shade. I don't know what it is. These fuchsia berry lips are just not my thing, people. I'm not living, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and layer the My Pet lip gloss right on top. These have a really nice smell to them, if that helps. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I love the eyeshadow look once again, but I'm not feeling these lips. They are just a little too bright for me, personally. I don't usually wear deep lipsticks, especially fuchsia ones, so it's just not my jam. However, the Super Sharp highlighter is gorgeous. It is so pretty. The eyeshadows are really pretty. I feel like they blend it out really well. Overall, I love like this half of my face. It's just the lip products that are a little bit off for me. I do like the lip gloss on both the Villians Maleficent collection and also the one that I got in my Cinderella collection. I think I'll enjoy them on their own, but those lipsticks are probably gonna go deep in a drawer where I'm never going to use them again. Overall though, I really do enjoy the products. I think it's a cute theme. The packaging is amazing. The products themselves, even though I may not like the color of the lipstick, I do think that they perform very well. They go on smoothly. They're very pigmented. I just personally am not a big fan of the color of either one of them, but you know what can you do? Anyways, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.